Hi, this is James from iGlobe, and I am going to show you how to use iGlobe CRM, a Microsoft 365 app. Before doing this, make sure that the app is deployed and secured on your Microsoft 365 by a global Microsoft 365 administrator. A quick note on security and compliance. iGlobe CRM is a Microsoft certified app and is therefore safe to deploy on your Microsoft 365. Feel free to contact us if you want to learn more about the Microsoft 365 App Compliance Program. iGlobe CRM runs on all devices connected to a Microsoft 365 account. In this user guide, we will use the browser version of your Microsoft 365, but everything works the same on all other platforms, as well as on your desktop client. Are you ready? Let's get started. In this video, we're going to have a look at the tabs in the company dashboard and how to customize them. In order to see your company tabs, you have to go to the Admin Center by clicking on the button in the navigation pane, selecting Administration, and click on Customize Tabs. Then in Tabs, you will see the available tabs, and in Company, you will see the tabs that are currently displayed on your dashboard. In Company, you can have an overview of each tab by clicking on it. You can easily add, remove, or reorder the tabs to your liking. Use the cross icon to remove any unwanted tabs, or drag them with your mouse to change the order. In case you want to add a new tab from the Tabs window, you can drag and drop it to the Company tabs. Then click on Apply and Save, and you are ready to use it. Now you will see the tab in your tabs list. This is all for this video. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check out the other parts of the user guide. If you need further help, don't hesitate to contact us. Find more useful links in the description below, and I will see you in other iGlobe videos. Bye!